As a leader, you already have lots of data on your organization, its strategies, projects, stakeholders, and teams. So, you are probably thinking, why do I need another analytics solution, such as Pitstop Analytics? Well, lots of data doesn't necessarily mean full visibility. For example, many leaders suffer from the illusion of alignment, believing that their organizations, projects, and teams are more aligned than they really are. This happens because most people will nod in agreement rather than speak up, called nodding dog syndrome. This can leave even data-rich leaders in the dark. Moreover, because there are important conversations that are not being had, traditional data can only go so far. Finally, too many organizations only do good news. They are reluctant to talk openly about risks, dependencies, and even setbacks. These 4 data-resistant blind spots can be present in even the most data-rich organizations. There is probably at least one of them present in your organization too. These 4 data-resistant blind spots are as natural as they are widespread. They are not a reflection on the organization or the leader, but the reality of working within a large organization and the complexity of modern leadership. Let's explore them in a little more detail, thereby providing you with an opportunity to check for their existence within your organization. The illusion of alignment is the first of 4 blind spots untouched by traditional data. The result is that many leaders believe their projects, teams, and stakeholders are more aligned than they really are. The illusion of alignment is understandable because people don't always say what they're really thinking. Often, people stay silent or simply nod in agreement. Hence, the name of our second data-resistant blind spot, nodding dog syndrome. A decade of research on psychological safety tells us that speaking up is not the norm. The result is that people often end up telling leaders what they think they want to hear. This can lure leaders into a false sense of confidence regarding their strategies and plans. Conversations that are not being had are the third data-resistant blind spot. They hinder the progress of many strategies, projects, and teams. While it is natural to shy away from difficult conversations, there is not a lot that data can do unless it enables people to talk about the issues that really matter. There is a lot of talk about fake news in politics and social media, but it can exist in organizations too. That is because many organizations only do good news, with strategy and project updates often sounding like PR statements. But leadership decisions based on limited positive-only data leave strategies and projects vulnerable to setbacks and surprises. To recap, 4 data-resistant blind spots mean that even data-rich leaders may not have full visibility. In tackling the illusion of alignment, Pitstop Analytics highlights levels of alignment across leaders, teams, and stakeholders, as well as projects and initiatives. To tackle nodding dog syndrome, the Pitstop approach generates a new level of openness and honesty. It enables those conversations that were previously not being had. It ensures organizations don't just deal in good news by enabling people to talk openly about risks and dependencies. These 4 data-resistant blind spots can be present in even the most data-rich organizations. There is probably at least one of them present in your organization too. The 4 blind spots result in what we call watermelon data regarding business priorities and strategic initiatives, as well as their stakeholders and teams. On the outside, things look green, that is positive and affirmative, but look more closely and you will see that it is red, complex and challenging, on the inside. In a nutshell, that is why even data-rich leaders need Pitstop Analytics. Let's pause for a moment to reflect. Does your organization have any blind spots? Could it be using watermelon data in any areas? If the answer is yes or maybe, please get in touch with us today.